Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome once again to our viewers on onespotmedia.com. Up first, this evening, the usually quiet community of Penwood in St. Thomas was rocked by what police are treating as a murder-suicide. A 47-year-old woman was stabbed to death by her ex-boyfriend, who later killed himself. The incident has sparked renewed calls for an end to violence against women.
This is a picture of the deceased 47-year-old Lorraine Hutchinson in happier times. Now a community is mourning her brutal killing. Reports are that Miss Hutchinson left home about 9:30 a.m. for a farm in the area. It's where she ran into the suspect Roger Johnson, who reportedly embraced her before using a knife to stab her all over her body. She collapsed, dying on the spot. It's understood that Miss Hutchinson recently ended the relationship with him. Enraged residents went in search of the suspect. Their first stop, his house, which they set ablaze. But their search was short-lived as Johnson was found hanging from a tree. Family and friends of the slain woman said she didn't deserve to die like this, describing her as an awesome person. Of equal concern by most of the people with whom we spoke was the spate of violent attacks by men towards women.
I asked the man them, what could I go on? What we do? What woman doing? What we go wrong? Eh? What go wrong? People, all me have to say, you know you're going out and you're not coming in, man. Straight Father God, don't go that me have to say. Because I want
government you know, come back in the country.
And that me say, straight, it.
I'm a woman, and every woman is my sister, my mother, my auntie, my friend. This needs to stop. Please, Jamaica, men, stop killing our women. We cannot survive, we cannot travel freely and in fear knowing that, ooh, him can kill me or something. We don't need to stop.